Recently, the cables on my Koss KSC75 headphones broke. Since they were still a good pair of headphones, I wanted to fix them. My idea was to make the headphone cables detachable such that they could attach to any aux cord. This way they could be any length and could detach whenever they were pulled too hard. To do this, I bought these female audio jacks. For the wires, to keep the project cheap, I stripped an old USB cable, wound the wires, and then soldered them on. I was now done with the project, but would I recommend this? No. Although it does accomplish my original goals, it has some issues. The connection is loose and insecure. This could be remedied with higher quality metal audio jacks, but that would make the headphone uncomfortably heavy. The attachment is also bulky, which can be annoying. The audio cables that I have now are also way too long. I could get shorter cables, but I don't want to waste money on an imperfect solution. If you want to make your headphones detachable, just go with a more professional route and get some MMCX connectors. Or if you want to go a more traditional route, then just don't make your headphones detachable and get a normal audio jack. Anyway, that's it. Don't do this. See ya.